નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn standard 10 subject social science chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Places of the Indian Cultural Heritage. Dear children, in the previous lecture we have to learn about the Champanian after the places of the cultural heritage of Gujarat, Thodavira, Lothal, Junagadh and the Ahmedabad. Now next one, dear children, Patan. Which one? Patan. North Gujarat, it means Uttar Gujarat. Sahasraling Lake in the Patan. Which one, dear children? Sahasraling Lake in the Patan. Stepwell of Queen. Stepwell of the Queen. It means Rani Ki Vav. And the Rudra Mahalaya of Sidhpur are worth seeing the architecture. What they have to given the dear children? They have to given that Sahasraling Lake in Patan. Stepwell of the King. Stepwell of the Queen. It means you have to remember the Rani Ki Vav. And Rudra Mahalaya of Sidhpur are the worth seeing the architecture. Worth seeing the architecture, it means Jovalayak Sthapatya. The ruins of the Rudra Mahalaya. The ruins of the Rudra Mahalaya in Sidhpur suggest the grandeur of the palace, which is situated 26 km away from the Patan. Where the Rudra Mahalaya is located, dear children? Rudra Mahalaya is located 26 km away from the Patan. Now, dear children, one image they will be given in your textbook. The image for the stepwell of the Queen. It means Rani Ki Vav. They will be given the image in your textbook. Rani Udaymati. What happened, dear children? Rani Udaymati, Queen of the Bhimdev I, built a vow. Now, dear children, this is the most important question for the board examination. Who built a Rani Ki Vav? Queen Udaymati built a Rani Ki Vav. Now, who is the Queen Udaymati? Queen Udaymati is the Queen of the Bhimdev I, built the vow, stepwell, to cater the need of water to a subject public, which is known as the stepwell of the Queen, Rani Ki Vav. UNESCO include this vow as a World Heritage Monument in 2014. What happened, dear children? In 2014, UNESCO declared the World Heritage Site Rani Ki Vav. This vow indicates the beautiful arrangement of the water harvesting for the public uses in the ancient time. What happened, dear children? This vow, it means this Rani Ki Vav, indicated the beautiful arrangement of the water harvesting for the public welfare, for the public use in the ancient time. Sidra Jaisi built a lake. What happened, dear children? At that time, the Sidra Jaisi built a lake. The name of that lake is Sahasraling Lake in 1140. In which year the Sidra Jaisi built a lake? Sahasraling 1140. Sidra Jaisi built a lake. The name of that lake is the Sahasraling. Apart from the fort, Vadnagar, they have to given that apart from that Vadnagar, Sarmishta Lake and the arches of the wall are seeing the monuments. Arches are to be created with the two erected the pillars, creating shape. What happened there? They have to create the shape, and the shape is like a bow. Shamraji temple is situated on the bank of the Mysore river, is an Asian places of the pilgrimage. What happened there? Where is the Shamraji temple? Is that, dear children? Shamraji temple is situated near the bank of the Mysore river. It is Mysore Nadina Kinara. These art of the architecture is the marvelous. And you know very well that this kind of the architecture is the marvelous. Marvelous, it means Adbhut Bin Mona. After, dear children, they have to given the map in your textbook. They have to already locate the national heritage places and the cultural heritage places. You have to remember all the places. Just you have to see the India's map. It means Indian National Heritage Places map. Rashtriya Varsana Sthala. Many stupa. Now what happened, dear children? They have given that many stupa in Bihar were built Gujarat during the Chhatra period. What happened that dear children here? During the period of the Chhatra period, it means Chhatra part, the many stupa and the vihara were built in the Gujarat. The remains of the Buddhist stupa are found from Bodh-Devi of Junagadh district. Where we have to found the remaining found from the Bodh-Devi of Junagadh district. Devni Mori near the Sambhaji. What happened there? Devni Mori in Sambhaji. After they have given the Itala stupa in the Girna near the Junagadh, etc. Beside this, the many other architectures of Devni Mori. What happened there? Beside this, many architectures of Devni Mori of the Gopyara, Upperkot, Khapra Kodia, Khambhadia, Taraja, Sana, Dama, they have given the name. Chonchiru Jor, Kadia Dungar are seen into the Gujarat. Whatever that dear children, they have given the name. Oh, which things we have to see into the Gujarat, they have to given them. Khapra Kodia, Khambhadia, Taraja, Sana, Dama, Chonchiru Jor, Kadia Dungar, Upperkot, Baba Pyara, these all are places we have to see into the Gujarat. Now dear children, they have to also given the step well of the Adalat near the Gandhinagar. What they have given the dear children here? Step well of Adalat near the Gandhinagar. After step well of the Queen of the Patan and Adi step well at the Junagadh. Apart from this Nadiyada, what happened that dear children here? They have given the information of the step well. Which one? Step well of Adala, where it is located near the Gandhinagar. Step well of the Queen, where it is located? It is located into the Patana. After Adi step well at the Junagadh. Apart from this Nadiyad and they have given that Mehmadabad, after Umred, Kapadwanj, Vadwan, Kaleshwari, these all are the district or the places, the best example of the wow architecture. So this is the best example of the wow architecture. So after dear children, they also given that there are the many Jain temples. What happened that there are the many Jain temples on Shatrunjay mountain. Where it is located? They have said Jain temple are located in the Shatrunjay mountain at Palitana in the Bhavnagar district. Few of temple. What happened that few of temple were built in the 11th century. In which century the few temples are built? The few temple are built into the 11th century. After they also given that Tiranga pilgrimage is situated in the hills near the Timba village of the Kheralu Taluka in the Mehsana district. The temple of Taramati is also situated here. Somnath temple, dear children, you know very well that this is the famous one. Somnath temple at Gir Somnath district in the Dwarkadish temple at Devbhumi Dwarka has Georgia's historical heritage. Which is the Georgia's historical heritage, dear children? You remember that Somnath temple at the Gir Somnath district, the Dwarkadish temple of the Devbhumi Dwarka, the Georgia's historical heritage. The list of the Gujarat cultural heritage. What they have to say there, dear children? The list of the Gujarat cultural heritage has not been completed yet, but many such places are there in Gujarat which make our cultural heritage rich as well as the prosperous. Now dear children, they have given about the information of South Indian temple of the Ancient India. What they have given that South Indian temple of the Ancient India in Dakshin Bharatna Prachin Mandiruna Sthal. Now, the temple of South India are famous for the different style. Dear children, you know very well that the South Indian temple are famous for the different style. And already you have to see this temple into the South Bhumi also. They were made in the Dravidian style of art. South Indian temple are made in which style of the art? Dear children, remember Dravidian style of the art. The South temple will be. They are in pyramidical shape. What happened, dear children? These temples are made in pyramidical. It means in pyramid shape with the multi-storied. What happened there, dear children? This is the temple prepared with the pyramid style, and they were multi-storied. They were multi-storied. One attractive stone is placed on its top. What happened there? One attractive stone is placed on its top. Yard of the temple was very huge. What happened there, dear children? Here the yard it means slogan of the temple was very huge. Many South Indian temples were built in the ancient time, are as given below. Now, dear children, here I am written the name of the temple are located in the South India. Now, dear children, first of all, I read the name of the temple and the places, and already they will be given in your textbook with the box. First, the name of the temple is Mahabalipuram. Which one, dear children? Mahabalipuram. Where it is located? Mahabalipuram in the state of the Tamil Nadu. Second, Kailash temple, it means Kailash Mandir. Where it is located? It is located in Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu state. Third one, Brudeshwar temple. Which one, dear children? Brudeshwar temple. Where it is located? It is located in Tanjore. In which state? In Tamil Nadu. After, dear children, Virupaksha temple. It means Virupaksha Mandir. Where it is located? It is located in Patadakkal. Where it is located? It is located in Patadakkal. In which state? In Karnataka state. After, dear children, they will be given the name of the temple then. Parsurameshwar temple. Which one? Parsurameshwar temple. Where it is located? It is located in Bhubaneswar. In which state? In Odisha. And last, they will be given that Vaikunth Perumal temple. Which one? Vaikunth Perumal temple. Where it is located? It is located in Kanchipuram, state of Tamil Nadu. So they have given the name of the temple. Which one? Mahabalipuram, Kailash temple, Brudeshwar temple, Virupaksha temple, Parsurameshwar temple, Vaikunth Perumal temple. These all are the name of the temple. After, dear children, they will given about the places of pilgrimage in India. It means Bharatma Tirtha Sthan. They will given the places of pilgrimage in India. The India has been a land of the pilgrimage since the ancient time. Dear children, you know very well that India has been the land of the pilgrimage. The land of the India since from the ancient time. Pilgrimage, it means Tirth Bhumi. The people of India go on the pilgrimage. Dear children, you know very well that the people of India go on the pilgrimage. Tirthane yatra mate jawun. The journey of what they have given them, dear children, they have to given them the journey of the Char Dham, which the journey of Char Dham and the 12 Jyotirlinga. They have already given them the journey of Char Dham and 12 Jyotirlinga. 12 Jyotirlinga include the Badrinath in Uttarakhand, include the Badrinath where in Uttarakhand, Rameshwar, where it is located? Rameshwar is located in Tamil Nadu, Dwarka located in Gujarat, Jagannath Puri located in Odisha. Moreover, the pilgrimage of 51 Shakti Peetha, whatever the age in here, 51 Shakti Peetha and Amarnath Yatra. Which one, dear children? Amarnath Yatra are considered as one of the most important. So, dear children, they have given the name of the pilgrimage center are famous into the India. Which one? They have given them the journey of Char Dham and the 12 Jyotirlinga include Badrinath, Rameshwaram, Dwarka, Jagannath Puri. Moreover, the pilgrimage of 51 Shakti Peeth and the Amarnath Yatra are considered as one of the most important. Girnar, dear children, they have already given that Girnar, famous for the Lily Parikrama. Which one? Girnar for Lily परिक्रमा, शत्रुंजय प्रदक्षिणा. Which one do you choose? Shatrunjay Pradakshina. After Narmada Pradakshina, it means Pradakshina, it means Parikrama. These all have the greater importance. India as a treasure house of the rich culture heritage. Dear children, you know very well that India is a treasure house of the rich cultural heritage. In this way, the places of the Indian culture heritage give India a unique identity in the world. Which means they have given the unique identity in the world. We can say that the Indian culture heritage give the India a unique identity in the world level. The tourists from India and abroad, whatever they do, the tourists from India as well as from the abroad visit the Indian art of the architecture regularly. This accelerated the economical benefit of the accelerated economical benefit of the tourist industry in India. Whatever they here, the tourist people visit the Indian art and the architecture regularly. That's why they given the benefit to the tourist industry also. Thus, 32 monuments of India. How much, dear children, we remember? 32 monuments of Indian culture and natural heritage have been included in World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. How much, dear children? 32 monuments of the Indian culture and natural heritage has been included into the World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. UNESCO is the United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us